785 Kitchen in Topeka, Kansas, and I'm telling you, they've got some of the best down-home soul food that you can eat in the state of Kansas. And like I said, Mel is over there cooking on the stove, and I'm so excited. Tonight, I'm going to get the oxtails. I know it sounds scary, but man, he makes the best. He makes oxtails as good as me, and I'm a very good cook. He is a very, very, very good cook. Anyway, just a minute. I'll show you what we got on our plates. Now look at these oxtails. I don't think it gets any better than that. With yams and green beans. You talk about a down-home meal. Guess what? I'm getting ready to stuff myself. For those of you who thought I was a vegetarian, I'm not. But I do eat mostly vegetables. But when someone knows how to make oxtails and I don't have to cook them in my kitchen, oh boy, I am treating myself. Anyway, you won't be disappointed if you come to 785 Kitchen. This is where the food is made with love.